Today's video I will make a chicken teriyaki. This dish is a Japanese inspired dish. I'll show you guys the step by step on how I make my Japanese inspired chicken teriyaki. A smashed garlic, 3 glazed ginger, I have cooking wine, and I have also there's 1/4 cooking wine, 1 cup of regular dark soy sauce, and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Now we have to prepare our chicken. I'll show you how to prepare my whole chicken. We're gonna use the whole chicken, guys. So I got this chicken from the supermarket today. This into 2. Marinate it. Cooking wine. Ginger. Garlic. So we're gonna marinate this, guys, for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, we're gonna leave it for 2 hours. To 40 to 50 minutes in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. So we are not going to include the sauce. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. Look at this. It's so luscious.